This 11th floor southwest corner home is flooded with sunlight and offers sweeping views of the Gulf of Mexico and Estero Bay. The two-bedroom home features over 1,700 square feet of area, including beautiful new kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, large balcony with electric shutters, walk-in closets in both bedrooms, wet bar, entertainment center, master bath with jetted tub, plus shower. Ocean Harbor is a gated community and amenities include heated pool, tennis courts, club room, private 28-seat theater, and lots more. Boat docks are available to rent or buy, and the tropical grounds are meticulously kept. Hurry to see this terrific home today.